go live. हाँ भाई, very sure. Hello, everybody. Good evening. Welcome to the Maitri Project. My name is Sonia Swaroop Choksi. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Match My Talent and your host today. Like many other evenings, I have a big announcement to make today. One of this is this, that today the Maitri Project is on its 25th episode. So it's a silver jubilee, so to say. And it's lovely that on our 25th show today of Maitri Project, we have freedom there.
Thanks for inviting. It feels good.
Hey,
I didn't know it earlier, so I am feeling special today.
yeah, no, actually, very honest, even I didn't know this. Just now, I calculated that it's a 24th show. So it wasn't the number per se, but it's just connecting the dots that it's our 25th show. So it becomes officially a silver jubilee. And of course, that means freedom, and we have freedom there. Lovely. Hello, audience. So that's freedom with us. Yes, she's an independent musician. She's an artist who lives in India. She's based in Ahmedabad. She is an independent musician in all which ways. We are going to spend a complete hour knowing about her, her music, her preferences. As you know, that's the format of Maitri Project. It's not just about knowing the music, but also the musician and the artist. So we are going to gradually get to know about freedom. And from the screen, you will see Freedom Sharma, but I really request we can miss out on Sharma and just get to know her as Freedom. That's who she is, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you for inviting and giving this beautiful introduction. I shall we like jump into the song? I would like to
Oh,
start with
oh yes, absolutely. We want to experience freedom to begin with.
isn't it?
Yes.
All right. So this is my original.
Mhm.
Yeah, I wrote it after Rostar, so it's a party, fun kind of a song, and I hope you'll like it.
We will love it. And like I said, the music is already set up. It's a Maitri's Silver Jubilee. So let's celebrate right on.
Celebrate the bang.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Over to you, Freedom.
All right, let's start it. So it's called Friday, Freedom on Friday, or something like that. आओ थोड़ा कर ले शोर आज की रात बस वो जोर पार्टी का माहौल बना turn up the volume more and more. Friday and night must be on the high. कर ले पूरी शेक जो पसंद हो. Friday and night must be on the high. कर ले पूरी शेक जो पसंद हो. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Friday, Friday को freedom हो. Whiskey में पानी कम हो. दिल से सबके बम हो. आ जाए जिसमें दम हो. Friday को freedom हो. Whiskey में पानी कम हो. दिल से सबके बम हो. आ जाए जिसमें दम हो. Friday को freedom हो. Ooh, yeah. किसी की टेंशन करो ना हर कोई यही है अब दीदी भैया आंटी अंकल की परवाह नहीं है म्यूजिक है लाउड अब सबको चढ़ रही है मम्मी जारी से बम अब मेरी फट रही है पर अपनी बारी तो भाई यूं ही चल रही है हाँ अपनी बारी तो भाई यूं ही चल रही है फ्रीडम 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 फ्राइडे Friday for freedom हो whiskey में पानी कम हो दिल से सबके बम हो आ जाए जिसमें दम हो Friday for freedom हो whiskey में पानी कम हो दिल से सबके बम हो आ जाए जिसमें दम हो yeah yeah whoa Hey. You're going to listen to my friend rapping now. It's all the way from London. Let me tell you मेरी कहानी करनी है पारी Bay or brandy oh let's go touch yourself on the dance floor if you wanna have some fun that would be it just lose control pop that bottle let's have fun no need for trouble if you're single then make it double pour in a glass and watch it bubble करनी है थोड़ी मस्ती दारू पिएंगे सस्ती करनी है थोड़ी मस्ती और दारू पिएंगे सस्ती ओए सस्ती ओए सस्ती ओए सस्ती ओए सस्ती ओए सारे को फ्रीडम हो विस्की में पानी कम हो दिल से सबके कम हो आजा जिसमें दम हो सारे को फ्रीडम हो विस्की में पानी कम हो दिल से सबके कम हो आजा जिसमें दम हो आजा जिसमें दम हो आजा जिसमें दम हो आजा जिसमें दम हो Friday for freedom ho Friday for freedom ho आजा जिसमें दम हो Yeah, आजा जिसमें दम हो. What do you say about that?
मैं ये सोच रही थी कौन से वाले दम की बात कर रहे हो कौन सा but oh god I was dancing all the way in मजा आ गया I supposedly had fever and it's like gone out of the window freedom मजा आ गया अरे छोड़ो ना क्या रखा है फीवर में I enjoyed so much I was just saying कि मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ हिल के but I like super enjoyed thank you so much
Just to feel कर I generally dance on stage I mean I cannot stop myself but express myself through dancing as well while I'm singing
yeah
I have to sit here and sing so.
I know this is the tragedy of the live format we have got this window इसी के अंदर खड़े रहो
बस नहीं तो हाथ में फोन लेके move around but that's not how it works so
not how it works too good
thank you
so audience this was like one of the best introductions that Freedom could walk in with her Freedom song and give us all this experience of Freedom. I must tell you, I have not known Freedom honestly for a long time. While this is little different, most of the artists come on Maitri project. We've known them for a while, but really, like what I've been reading about you, what I've been hearing about you, to what I've spoken to you, is so different. Freedom is so different. I am personally glad that we spoke, and I'm personally glad that you're here.
Me too. Thank you so much. Thank you. It means a lot. It really means a lot. And I really opened up when I was talking to you earlier. And that has, like, it has happened for a long time. So I'm also glad that we talked.
Yeah, I mean, and you know, like really, like how much we, how media covers about people. What do we get to know? We don't know. And कितना लिमिटिंग हो जाता है यू नो लाइक उसे हमको सबको पता है कि दैट कुड बी वन पार्ट ऑफ द ओपिनियन बट वी ऑल टेंड टू फॉर्म ओपिनियंस बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट वी रीड एंड इट जस्ट कीप्स ऑन गोइंग एंड यू नो लाइक दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू दैट मैच में डालन का ऑब्जेक्टिव ही यही है कि यू नो वी शुड नॉट गेट लिमिटेड बाय व्हाट अदर्स से अबाउट एन आर्टिस्ट वी शुड रियली हियर द आर्टिस्ट यू नो सामने से सुनते हैं सामने एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं एंड you know make your own opinion.
I totally appreciate about that thing and so abhi matlab lockdown mein or I've been interviewed before but I have so I couldn't open up fully but when I'm talking to you I feel like I can be myself and you have that quality and I'm sure you're doing the same thing with all the other artists where they feel you know as if they are home and they can pour their heart out so
wow.
That's really
Thank you. Thank you.
You have that thing in you and the platform.
Thank you so much. That is like sunke, like I'm feeling I've arrived and we have arrived. My entire team keeps wondering कि ये सोनिया क्या कर रही है, क्या कर रही है. So I just hope सुन रहे हो सब लोग. Lovely, great, Freedom. So मैं क्या बताऊं? I think I would like really not do much justice telling people about you. Tell us about yourself. हो कौन? Freedom कौन है भाई?
So many things. I mean, when somebody asks, tell us about you or who you are, certainly you feel that this is the most difficult question in the world. Like you have to think through everything.
Yeah.
But like for me, I'm a free soul, and maybe that's why I call myself Freedom. I express myself through music and other like various artistic forms. Like I'm an artist by heart. So that's what I am. I'm born and raised in Ahmedabad, and like now I'm living here in Mumbai. So it's a quite a journey. I mean, I've been like many places and all.
Yeah.
I'm an independent artist. I write my own songs. I like to write and compose my own songs.
Yes.
And I'm a performer. I like to dance and entertain people. And on stage, I feel that it's my home. That's who I am. Like as an artist.
On stage बोलते ही ऐसी smile आ जाती है ना. It's like the stage के ना, you're born for the stage. Yeah. You're like नामी stage कैसे चमक जाते हो?
जाने से पहले थोड़ा सा नर्वसनेस होता है हमेशा, और आई थिंक इट्स अ हेल्दी, you should be nervous a little bit. You cannot be overconfident. But फिर स्टेज पे जाने के बाद में it feels like okay, this is my territory. So it feels so good. I love it.
So I would love to tell the audience that while Freedom comes from Ahmedabad, which is a very traditional town in Gujarat, we all know that, and Western music is not something that is in the DNA of the city. Nothing wrong or right, but it is not in the DNA of the city, right? But she found her calling in Western music. And of course, she's not the only musician from Ahmedabad who did that. And there's no judgment around the fact that she found music, Western music as her sole genre. But what is interesting for me is how people chance upon these different genres. Like there's a story all the time. Yeah. So like somebody would go for classical and there could be a reason why classical. Somebody would go for a Western and why Western. So I mean, to cut the long story short, audience, Freedom had a point of view on her voice. She chanced upon, she thought that her voice did not really suit the typical notion of Indian music. And मुझे ना personally ये बहुत मजा आ रहा है बोलने में, because I have been fighting this thing forever in my own journey of life, how we put things into stereotypes, कि लड़की की आवाज पतली होनी चाहिए, स्वीट होनी चाहिए, लड़की पतली होनी चाहिए और गोरी होनी चाहिए, तो वो इंडियन होती है और तब वो सही लड़की होती है, अदरवाइज तो
गोरी होनी चाहिए. You forgot that.
क्या होनी चाहिए?
गोरी.
वही गोरी बोला मैंने. हाँ, गोरी, पतली, आवाज पतली और आवाज सुरीली होनी चाहिए, तो लड़की ठीक है भाई, एक्सेप्टेबल है, टिक हो गई. और अगर इसमें से कोई भी चीज मिसिंग है तो प्रॉब्लम है. Been there, yeah, been there too. So audience, at one point of time in her childhood, Freedom realized कि उसकी आवाज उतनी पतली नहीं है. So the Indian classical genre did not really accept her, or she did not accept, and there wasn't a gelling. And she thought that probably she fits Western music more, right? And this is not a one-day revolution for anybody, but she figured it out. She listened to a lot of music. She learned about the ways of singing that music, composing that music. And I guess it must have been for you, Freedom, that you found it कि ये मेरे लिए अच्छा है. This is something that I relate to, and right. So I give it to you that she self-trained her. Like living in Ahmedabad, where the ecosystem or the ambience for Western music is hardly there. She self-trained her. कैसे भी किया, cassettes लाई, CDs लाई, इसके father ने help किया, like everything else. But she trained herself, and she went on to the London School of Music to learn music. And she's very humble to say that they were very gracious to accept her. But कौन नहीं accept करेगा? Look at your जुनून, man. Like look at like, मैं तो music बनाऊंगी. Admission कैसे नहीं दोगे?
Within, I miss those days, when I'm still passionate about everything, but when you are on that certain age, you are more passionate. I mean, you want to do everything, you want to explore everything, and I'm so grateful that I did. I didn't stop.
Yeah. Amazing. No, I'm also grateful that you did, because I mean, it's just I wouldn't have enjoyed this evening and many more for us to come, but really, like, hats off. So she went to London. She learned at the London School of Music, and she came back home as a home calling. And now she's here in Bombay, in Ahmedabad, amongst us, and creating music. And this is Western music. So these are some of these young showstoppers who have taken the plunge, who have heard the calling, and who have not gone back thinking that, oh, systems nahi hai, probably it's not going to be an easy cakewalk. And so they've moved on, and now you're obviously doing what you want to do, but you're also paving a way for many, many others to come. Like, I'm sure, like, she's also teaching music now. So like, with a teacher like her, kitne sare freedoms aur niklenge bahar. So lovely. Great. So what would be those couple of words, Freedom, that you would describe yourself apart from freedom?
As first of all, it comes as freedom only, because I believe in equal rights and everything. Like, freedom is everything for me. Someday I thought कि अगर इंसान को जेल में आप डाल दो तो या कैसे भी करके ये करोगे तो वो खाना शायद एक बार छोड़ देगा, उसको खाना भी नहीं पसंद आएगा. बट फ्रीडम इतनी प्यारी होती है लोगों को. सो मुझे हर तरीके से, व्हेन आई पार्टिसिपेटेड इन इंडियाज गॉट टैलेंट, उस टाइम पे भी एक बार इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया था कि आपको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे इंग्लिश गा रहे हो और ये वो. आई सेड कि नहीं, म्यूजिक की कोई लैंग्वेज ही नहीं होती है. वी आर आर्टिस्ट आर ऑलवेज फ्री, सो दैट्स वन थिंग. I call myself, actually people started calling me Rebel. I don't know why. I didn't see that quality in me. But,
what did people start calling you?
The rebel. Even my when I was in London Music School, one day I was just doing my, as I told you that I'd passed my school Gujarati medium. Like, I wasn't fluent in English and I didn't know like half of the words at all. One day I was just doing my stuff, and then my teacher comes and says, you're a rebel, aren't you? And I was like, मैं अपनी क्लासमेट से पूछ रही थी, ये रेबल का मतलब क्या होता है?
क्या कह गए भाई साहब, क्या कह रहे हैं? कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं? बट हाँ, मुझे जो भी करना था मैंने पैशनेटली किया. मैंने अपना पूरा मैंने 100% दिया. एंड I too have flaws. मतलब कभी मैं बहुत I'm too much into the stuff, and sometimes I withdraw myself totally. But I think that's what everyone feels like at certain points. जैसे अभी एक हफ्ते पहले मैं इतना पता नहीं क्या क्या कर रही थी, और पिछले इस वीक में I'm just watching Netflix. So but you have to come out of that thing and keep on doing what you desire to do or what you desire to become. My dream was always big. And fortunately, I got all the opportunity. I got the family support and everything. And I am where I am today, and I still have to go far. Sure, inshallah, you would. And you've come this far all by yourself. So, aage bhi nikal hi jaoge. It is actually the focus which is required. And as long as we have that, I am a firm believer of that. There is never a set rasta bana ke koi nahi deta hai. We all have to make it ourselves. But as long as you're at it, you'll reach there.
रह जाते हैं कि कोई रास्ता दिखा देगा, कोई रास्ता बताएगा, लेकिन वो you cannot wait for that golden day where everything will be awesome. I mean, you have to struggle is not the right word, but it's a struggle. Even though you have to fight with all the demons inside you or out, you have to keep going.
That's very beautifully said. It is the fight is within and outside. It looks like a bahar ki fight hai. We don't have this, we don't have that, but actually वो fight bhi isliye because there's a different requirement coming from within us, which does not exist outside, right? So we are trying to see what we want for ourselves and then trying to find it in the system.
Yeah.
Lovely. So before all the audience starts slapping me for talking so much, I always get that. So Freedom, you compose your own music and you write your own music. Right. And like you said, that you would rather be known more as an independent artist than any other genre. Can we hear something from you? A couple of your compositions.
Yeah. So I've wrote this it's a like a fun song on
Hmm.
lockdown. So I would like
Okay.
to sing that, and after that song, we'll talk for like a couple of minutes, and then I'll take you to the retro journey because that's the era I love the most, and that's how
Lovely.
I feel that I express myself more in a retro genre than the
Hmm.
this new age Bollywood music.
Sure.
So let me sing this light-hearted, fun lockdown song for you.
There you go.
All right. The song's called Lockdown Hatega. कोरोना जब से है आया, लॉकडाउन खत्म हो ना पाया, कैसा ये मजाक है, भेजा मेरा खराब है, हाय कैसी ये मजबूरी है, खाना पीना भी तो जरूरी है, रो रो के मेरी आंखें सूज गई, छोटी आंखों वाले कैसी गंदी तेरी चाल है, मेरे घर में चीनी चावल आटा भी खलास है, घर मेरा मंदिर नहीं अब लगता मुझे ये कारावास है, टिकटॉक वीडियो बनाने लगी पूरी दुनिया पर दिल उदास है, मेरे घर में चीनी चावल आटा भी खलास है, घर में ये आहट है, मित्रों से घबराहट है, मोदी जी जो आएंगे आके लॉकडाउन बढ़ाएंगे, घंटे भर की भी छूट है, बच गई कैसी ये लूट है, नंबर आते हुए भी खाली मेरा ये हाथ है, मेरे घर में चीनी चावल आटा भी खलास है, घर मेरा मंदिर नहीं अब लगता मुझे ये कारावास है, टिकटॉक वीडियो बनाने लगी पूरी दुनिया पर दिल उदास है, मेरे घर में चीनी चावल आटा भी खलास है, hold on, just a little time, come on, hold on, tell me if you're crazy, come on, baby keep on dancing, lockdown harega, hold on, just a little time, ooh, hold on, just a little time, lockdown harega. Yeah. We all wish for that. What do you say?
Super, yeah.
Lockdown period का use करने वाला song, you know. You just
Yeah, this has to go to Mr. Modi. Like I don't know how we're gonna get it to him, but like really, oof, maza aa gaya.
and the interesting thing behind this song is that so my mom calls me and said मैंने
Hmm,
कुछ लिखा है lockdown पे. I said अच्छा okay क्या लिखा है बताओ. And then
hmm.
she goes like, and this is how actually she sang to me.
Huh.
Um, कोरोना आया लॉकडाउन लाया कैसा ये मजाक है मेरे घर में चीनी चावल आटा भी खलास है and I was like, Mom, But I said the lyrics are good, so I'm going to do something with it. Yeah.
So ये क्या reverse migration हो गया from you to auntie, or from like she got inspired into writing from you, or she was always there?
She just found a new passion. She writes
Lovely.
all of a sudden.
सुपर गुड. हाँ नहीं, वो सोच रही होंगी कि जो आप लिखते हो वो चल जाता है तो वो भी लिख लेते हैं.
भाई तो it just, you know, बस आपके दिल से आना चाहिए, to be honest,
Yeah,
right?
that's
It doesn't
it, that's-
matter if you are say if you अगर आपने Beatles को सुना होगा और
Yeah.
बहुत सारे अच्छे बड़े musicians हैं, the words are very simple, मतलब
Yeah,
वो होता नहीं है, but the
Yeah.
simplicity is most difficult, don't you think?
absolutely.
So it was her feeling, what she
Mm.
felt. So I thought, okay, let me do something.
But super good, yeah. Like really, like I mean, it's बात तो वही है जो है. Like everybody's life in lockdown is summarized into this thing, but the way it has come out is
Yeah.
you can't be sad and sulking about it, but everybody will relate to it. ये मेरी story है.
Why? That's the thing. It's not like you don't have to make it a sob story. I mean, you
Yeah.
can still use the lockdown. I know so many people are suffering.
Yeah.
But you can still have a.
You can still sing a song.
Many things.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Lovely. And and actually not joking, but really everybody who's suffering, like we all are very privileged. Like usko to कहने वाली बात ही नहीं. We all are so privileged. We can't complain. But the people who are really suffering भी अगर ऐसा गाने सुनते हैं तो I'm sure 2 मिनट के लिए तो उनको भी स्माइल आएगी.
हाँ,
Yeah.
शायद सब लोग टिकटॉक देख रहे हैं.
Oh, okay. I have personal issues there, so let's not.
I'm saying like.
वो अलग ही space है.
Yeah.
Lovely. So I am ready. I'm sure the audience is ready to go on the retro journey that you promised.
Yeah.
Can we?
Absolutely.
चलें क्या? टिकट तो हमने खरीद ली है. अब चलें क्या?
ठीक है. Let's
चलो.
start our retro journey.
Yay, audience, wear your seatbelt. Get ready with your earphones, and there we go.
Yeah,
Sure.
Let's do it. जो ये चांद डूबा तो जी ना सकूंगा है प्यार ये कैसा कि तुम बिन तड़पाए तू ही आरज़ू है तू ही जुस्तजू है तो तू दूर क्यों है ना तुम बिन रह पाए रुकिए जरा थमिए जरा प्यार से पल्लू भरिए जरा रुकिए जरा थमिए जरा प्यार से पल्लू बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए हो जाने तमन्ना की रह जा रही हो जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए अभी जा 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 हम जब ना होंगे तो ऐ दिलरुबा किसे देख कर हाय शर्माओगी न देखोगी तुम भी कभी आई ना हमारे बिना घबराओगी बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए जाने तमन्ना की घर जा रही हो जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए I always love to do salsa on this video. नहीं तो ये जलवे हैं बुझते दिए, कोई मिटने वाला एक आशिक तो हो, जो ये चांद डूबा तो जी ना सकूंगा, ऐ प्यार ये कैसा कि तुम तड़पाए, रुकिए जरा थमिए जरा, प्यार से पल्लू भरिए जरा, रुकिए जरा थमिए जरा, प्यार से पल्लू, बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जाने तमन्ना की लय जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए. All right. So the next song which I am singing is not a very retro song, but it has a retro vibe and feel, and you'll know how and why. And so I have combined this song with another retro disco, the queen of disco, as you may know, who is she. But I love to sing the song a lot, and I'm going to sing the song for you. नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं पुरानी, ओ कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी, हाँ हाँ रोका इसको किसने, हाँ ये तो बहता पानी, ओ कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी, ला 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 ला, zoo 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 मिले इसे इसमें नशा, जिसने पिया वो गम में भी हंसा, सूनी डगर पे जैसे सूनी ये शाम हो सुहानी, ओ कैसी पहेली है, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी, थामा हाँ रोका इसको किसने, हाँ ये तो बहता पानी, ओ कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी, ला 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 ला, oh oh, zoo 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 zoo. Here comes the next one. This is the performance from India's Got Talent, I think. दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से बदला लिया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से, हाँ शान से, दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से बदला लिया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से, शान से, अजनबी से प्यार किया, ना किसी से वादा किया, जिंदगी को हमने जिया, हाँ 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 शान से, शान से, da 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 da. Back to you, Sham se. Your microphone is muted, I guess.
sorry, technical issue, sorry. किसी ने कुछ नहीं सुना, किसी ने कुछ नहीं देखा, कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. तो मैं बोल रही थी यार, ये लॉकडाउन के बाद ना, लाइक सीरियसली आज मैं जो नाची हूँ ना, ओहो मजा आ गया.
Thank you.
So much love to you. Like full good maza aa gaya. So I'll just tell you, my 9-year-old daughter, she's like obviously enjoying the music in the other room, and she's just come like full dancing in between. So that's the space that's gotten created. Lovely.
Awesome. I love
So
it.
ये जो मोटी आवाज जो थी, वो तो मुझे अभी तक सुनाई नहीं थी. ये मोटी आवाज कहाँ है भाई? ये मतलब कौन सी मोटी आवाज थी जिसकी, you know, like the whole basis changed what you chose and how you chose?
लोग खुद ही टैग दे देते हैं मोटी पतली. मुझे तो पता नहीं था जब मुझे बोला गया कि भाई मोटी आवाज है. और मैं एक्चुअली इवन आई स्टार्टेड कंपेयरिंग माय सेल्फ विद अदर गर्ल्स की जिनकी एकदम यू नो सॉफ्ट और प्यारी प्यारी सी आवाज थी, और मेरी आवाज तो ऐसी थी नहीं. तो मैं हमेशा स्ट्रगल करती थी कि मेरे को प्रेयर ग्रुप में ले लिया जाए, और जब लेते भी थे तो फिर खड़ा करते थे दूसरी तीसरी लाइन में. मतलब मुझे वो अच्छा नहीं लगता था. बट देन आई थॉट कि हाँ चलो ढूंढे, अब देखें क्या है मोटी आवाज ये वो, या तो मैं गाना छोड़ दूं, विच आई थॉट फॉर अ व्हाइल कि मेरा कुछ हो नहीं सकता, मेरी आवाज अच्छी नहीं है, आई कैन नॉट सिंग. बट पता नहीं बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस मेरे को कैसेट मेरी फ्रेंड ने दी, और उसमें मैंने कुछ इंग्लिश गाने सुने, और जिसमें जो भी आवाजें थी सारी मोटी थी. मैंने बोला भाई ये तो मैं भी गा सकती हूँ, you know. So, that's how I started developing interest in Western songs. That's
Thanks to your friend who gave you that cassette.
Yeah, actually.
There's always something that brings a change. Yeah.
A very little thing. It was just a landing of a simple cassette.
No, but it opened up something for you. ना? Like एक world का access मिला आपको कि you know look at these people.
Absolutely.
So then you went to London and you learned the music and you came back here, and then like did you have a world that you wanted to be in here back in? Did it shift for you?
Yeah, actually, so I was missing my family a lot because I was very young, और कभी अपनी फैमिली से इतना अलग नहीं रही थी, और इतना कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो पाता था. I felt it very alone. I was kind of a little bit, even though I was doing really good in school, I used to sing with a local band as well. Everything was good. Like outside में सब कुछ ठीक था, but inside I was feeling like I felt I was alone and all. So I decided to come back. And उसके बाद में India's Got Talent आया season 2, and then I thought कि भाई चलो, क्योंकि मैंने सोचा अभी मैं क्या करूँ, यहाँ से कहाँ लेके जाऊँ. There is no platform, and especially in Ahmedabad ऐसा तो कुछ खास था नहीं, तो मैं शो भी कहाँ करूँ अपने आप को. तो और दूसरे सारे जितने भी रियलिटी शोज थे, सारेगामापा एंड इंडियन आइडल एंड एवरीथिंग, that is totally like classical based and Bollywood based. So I let me participate in India's Got Talent, as they say, like show your talent. So I'll show my talent as a Western vocalist, and it worked. And I got really good compliments from judges. मेरा like एकदम boost up हो गया energy, and yeah, that's how I participated in India's Got Talent. लेकिन फिर भी कोई ऐसा नहीं मिला. I came back to Ahmedabad, and I started teaching after that Western vocals too, because I had assisted my teachers in London for 6 months, so I knew how to teach as well.
How to teach, yeah.
And उसके बाद में India's Raw Star हो गया.
But you know, like we have a very different understanding of the talent shows, and especially I know, like when we live in not the 4 main cities, when we live in the other cities, then obviously there is a dream and there is a wish to get to the mainstream, get to the bigger city, get to opportunities there. But I mean, I'm from media, I'm from this industry, and I have a very different understanding of the talent shows, you know, being on the other side. Oh, and you look so sorted. You look so focused into what you want to do and how you wanted to do. So, did a talent show was it a choice? Was it something that you did as a choice by yourself, or was it like a more of a strategy for your career?
Yeah, it was a choice. First of all, I had to decide what is the best platform for me to show my talent.
Hmm.
That's why I chose, because I was very certain that I want to be in this genre only. Like I
Hmm.
was sure.
Hmm.
So that's why I chose India's Got Talent first of all. And when I got an email from India's Raw Star, they saw my video on YouTube and everything, and they called me, and I, I thought, एक और reality show, मतलब क्या ठीक
Hmm.
है. I replied them after a month or so, because I wasn't that much interested in a reality show. But then
Hmm.
I found out that they were looking for independent artists. They
Hmm.
weren't looking for singers only who sings very, that can't say stereotype, लेकिन वो एक जैसा ही जो भी मतलब
एक
गा
जैसा
रहे
जो गाते हैं. Hmm.
gave us freedom to be ourselves, to choose our own songs, to improvise the song or present ourselves differently. So
Hmm.
वहाँ पे फिर मुझे लगा नहीं, now this is the right platform कि इतना तो मैं कर ही सकती हूँ. तो धीरे धीरे मैंने हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स किया थोड़ा सा
Hmm.
तरीके से.
Hmm.
ऑडिशन में भी कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि क्योंकि मेरे पास इतने हिंदी गाने थे नहीं ऑप्शन में गाने के लिए, मैं बहुत स्ट्रगल कर रही थी कि ऑडिशन में गाऊं तो क्या गाऊं.
Hmm.
तो फीमेल स्केल जो होता है वो मुझे सूट नहीं होता है, मतलब मैं फीमेल स्केल पे नहीं गा सकती. सो आई जनरली चूज मेल सॉन्ग्स फॉर माई
Hmm.
सेल्फ, बट आई कुडंट फाइंड मेनी सॉन्ग्स. So I thought might as well write my own songs. Maybe that's where I'll be able to express myself fully.
Hmm.
And thank God I did that. Because of that thing, I got selected into India's Raw Star. And they
Wow.
probably 90% of the time they gave us freedom to choose our own songs and be ourselves.
Hmm.
I think that was the right decision.
Amazing. So they asked you to choose songs, and you did not have knowledge of those songs because you don't know so much of Bollywood and the more mainstream songs. So you
I
composed your own songs and sang them.
Why I listen to Bollywood songs. Like I'm too much into Kishore Da and Lata Mangeshkar. I mean, it's not that I don't listen to the songs, but when you're singing and when you're listening, it's two different
Two
things. Like
different things. Yeah. Hmm.
you find very particular and selective songs which suits your voice and your
Yeah.
genre, the way you sing. So I couldn't
Yeah.
find any songs which suits.
That way. So आपने खुद ही बना डाले वहां पे.
तो
ये
मैंने
लो.
खुद ही दिया, मैंने
लो.
बोला चलो
ये लो
गाओ
भाई.
गाना.
गाना सुन रहे हैं ना, लो सुनो.
वही वो उस टाइम पे मेरे को पता नहीं था कि that was the forte, and they had already decided, like after that audition we had gone through more auditions, but
हाँ.
वो देख के उन लोगों ने उसी टाइम पे डिसाइड कर लिया था that I'll be in top 10, like I'll be there in the show.
There. Hmm.
Yeah.
Style है.
पर हाँ, आपको ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म, ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलना भी चाहिए, और अगर नहीं
Yeah.
है आपके पास ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म तो यूट्यूब तो है ही.
हाँ, but वो सब अब हो गया है. अब now it's still like all that. But पता है उसमें भी ना freedom, there's like जैसे जैसे platforms भी बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, but there is now this traffic, now this commotion, now you need to find your way, USP in that. So I mean, what will never shift is कि जब तक आर्टिस्ट को अपने काम की क्लैरिटी और अपने काम का एक फोकस नहीं होगा, तब तक तो कितने भी प्लेटफॉर्म्स हो कुछ भी बन जाए, it's not a point. It's not gonna happen.
And I have gone through that phase. क्योंकि
Yeah.
पहले मैं गा रही थी, फिर मैं इधर आई, तो जो गाने के जो expectations थी, that was Bollywood. Bollywood शुरू करना पड़ा, and then somewhere I got lost. कि मैं गा तो रही थी लेकिन I wasn't happy, क्योंकि मैं बस वही सारी चीजें गा रही थी जो
Yeah.
सभी सिंगर्स
गाते हैं.
की, मतलब बस नचाओ, मैशअप लेके ये वो.
Yeah.
So I'm still trying to find a midway between where I
Hmm.
can combine Hindi and English together to make sure where I stand.
So what is on this moment? What's the song on your mind? Like this commotion that freedom is all about.
Freedom is all about learning new stuff, experimenting new stuff.
What are you experimenting these days with?
I am experimenting with yodeling these days.
Ah.
I saw this video and it made me so happy that
Huh.
wanted to learn to yodel. I couldn't do it earlier, but then I practiced. So yeah.
So we are ready. We have the audience ready.
Yeah, it's not a very long song, but I'll give you the hint of yodeling in that, in that particular time, maybe a minute or so, and then
Sure.
I will sing the song. Which okay, should I share the story before or after?
As you go. The stage is yours. I am going. Tata bye bye.
I love that yodeling song. I'll do that, and I'll do one Bollywood song, which is
Yeah.
close to my heart, and I'll tell you why. So,
Mhm.
should I go ahead?
Go ahead. It's all
All
yours.
right.
Yeah.
Right. Just hold on, I think. Let's start from the top again. I went across the Switzerland where all the yodelers be to try to learn to yodel with my inner deity. I climbed a big high mountain on a clear and sunny day, and then I met a yodeling girl in there, Switzerland. Oh, she told me yodel, 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 yodel. She told me you're a lady, that's the yodel for you. I want to do more, then it will be too much of yodeling. Anyway, so the next song is that as I said, I was struggling with the song selection when I had participated in India's Raw Star and all. But Honey Singh came to me and especially suggested that I should sing this one, and it'll suit my voice, and it somehow became the part of me. The funny thing about this song is that people ask me, "Have you? Are you the original singer of this song?" And even though I'm not, uh, I don't deny. I said, "Yeah, I'm just sochna socha." Who am I to say? All right, so this is one of my favorite songs, and this is the actually Hindi entry for me, the Bollywood entry. I felt so much comfortable singing this song. Here it comes for you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. गला जवाब तेरे चरण पे है सारी मेरा भी पता है मैं ना मानूंगा बिहार तेरी मेरी दुनिया में बेहिसाब प्यार मैं हूँ एक प्रिंटर और चैन मेरा यार तेरे जैसा दुनिया में कोई भी नहीं इसे ढूंढती नजर लगे तू ही है वही परियों की रानी हूँ मैं सबसे हंसी पर तेरे बिना किक मुझे मिलती नहीं तेरे बिना किक मुझे मिलती नहीं तेरे बिना किक मुझे मिलती नहीं तेरे बिना जे मैनू यार ना मिले ते मर जावा जे मैनू प्यार ना मिले ते मर जावा जे मैनू यार ना मिले जे मैनू प्यार ना मिले जे मैनू प्यार ना मिले ते मर जावा हर शाम बेबी तेरे ही नाम बेबी अब तुझे प्यार करूं मैं सरेआम बेबी है इंतजाम बेबी कर एहतराम बेबी इरादा नेक मेरा ना कोई गंदा काम बेबी इश्क प्यार और बार खुले आम करूं, मैं हूँ मुतासिर तुझसे दिल ये तेरे नाम करूं, आजा मेरी बाहों में, let me love you baby, कहीं तुम मुझसे ये ना कह दे। Your turn. जे मैनू प्यार ना मिले ते मर जावा, जे मैनू यार ना मिले ते मर जावा। So many nights I spent without you, I just want you to come around. But you are my devil, I'm your angel, baby. You're the only one that I want round. मुझे किक कभी मिलती नहीं, तेरे बिना मुझे किक मिलती नहीं। किक कभी मिलती नहीं, तेरे बिना मुझे किक मिलती नहीं, यार ना मिले। मर जावा। Yeah, this is yeah. Back to you.
खतरनाक हो आप, खतरनाक।
ये ऐसा ही था, but I said कि हमको थोड़ा लिबर्टी मिली थी काम करने की, so ये गाना गाया, और जो इंग्लिश में गा रही थी, that part I wrote and composed for the song.
But really, like, I mean, because you told me and you told now that this is how it is, so okay, it was there in the mind, but otherwise it's like so seamless कि नहीं बताओ तो पता नहीं चलेगा कि okay, there is like two different artists have worked on it, and
somehow it happened, and maybe that's why he suggested for me to. I was, you know what, which song I was gonna sing? I was gonna sing Gandi Baat. I'm so glad that I sang this one.
It's very nice, lovely. So, is that true that that your name was given by him, the title that you wear now, or what? I wonder if this name is coming from you or from him or from somewhere else. What's the secret to freedom?
So yeah, actually, I was thinking, like, even before Raw Star happened, I was just thinking I just want to have my stage name. I mean, Dipti is good, but I mean, मैंने सोचा कुछ और अच्छा रख लें ऐसा. And I thought, like, whatever comes first in my mind, I'm gonna have that name. And like, popped up, and I thought, okay, my name is Freedom. So, but from there, I didn't have platform to show. You know, आप छोटे मोटे, like, आप ऐसे ही कहीं जाओगे और बोलोगे मेरा नाम Freedom है, तो फिर लोग मतलब ऐसा कि हाँ जो भी है. But जब show आया, so I spoke with the production house and I said कि मैंने सोचा है कि अपना stage name Freedom रखूं. So can you do that for me? Can you introduce me as a Freedom? And I was so glad, they were happy. They said, fine, we are good with that. In fact, we encourage all the artists to do the same. Like, there should be in charge of their entire thing, entire act or something. They said, all right. And then we shared it with Honey Singh, who was very supportive from the day one, like literally. So he would call me different names, like Freedom was already there. So he would call me, oh, isko to main gangster girl bolta hu. Rebel O, and you know, kind of all that names came up. But Freedom was, yeah.
So that's a name that you chose it.
I chose it. Yes, absolutely.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. So because that's not something that we commonly hear. I mean, the narrative becomes a little different. So I mean, wow. So that's a name that you chose as your own identity, and it's not something that has been given to you.
No, I wouldn't generally accept.
Yeah. हाँ, मतलब ऐसे कैसे कि किसी ने नाम रख लिया मैं रख दूंगी. ये तो क्लैश हो रहा है भाई साहब.
मुझे तो लगता है सबको अपना नाम चूज करने की लिबर्टी होनी चाहिए. To be honest, I truly believe in that because that's what you identify the most your entire life. But that is something given to you. I mean, you haven't like chosen it. So I believe at some point of time you should have that liberty to choose your own.
Absolutely. Like if you feel like being called by any other name, you should be able to. Yeah. Right. So then this Freedom Sharma is also something that you choose. Yeah, ye hamari Indian heritage.
So freedom is freedom, right? So
Yeah.
there are so many reasons why I like resonate with this name. Is
Hmm.
first of all, like whenever I sing, I feel free. So that's the freedom
Hmm.
for me, like the stage or singing or the feel of music. That is
Yeah.
very liberating for me. The other thing is that I believe in like humanity, and every person should be treated in a common and in a humanly basis, not
Yeah.
from their caste or where they come from and what like their work or whatever.
Hmm.
So I never wanted to put Sharma behind freedom. For me,
Hmm.
freedom was just freedom, not
Yeah.
bound to caste or anything else.
Hmm.
But मेरे को किसी ने मेरे को free नहीं रहने दिया.
फ्रीडम के साथ भी एक आइडेंटिटी चिपका दी। नहीं नहीं, ऐसे कैसे? तुम्हारा सरनेम नहीं होगा तो तुम्हारे ओरिजिन पे पूरा डाउट हो जाएगा, कौन हो,
लेकिन
कहाँ से
क्या
हो।
फ्रीडम, क्या कहाँ से?
हाँ। ज्यादा ही फ्रीडम आ रही है, ये लो चिपकाओ शर्मा।
इधर आओ, तुम शर्मा हो, बैठो.
भले ही तुम्हारे तुम्हारे जो पूरी ट्रिप थी फ्रीडम की वो साइड लाइन हो गई, बट ठीक है, फ्रीडम
नहीं नहीं,
शर्मा।
संभाल लेंगे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके फिर से.
हाँ हाँ, धीरे धीरे। हमें पता होता तो हमने अपने पोस्टर्स में से फ्रीडम ही छपवाया होता।
और फिर तो डोमेन नेम भी नहीं मिलता ना, अकेला फ्रीडम नाम का.
अरे freedom.com।
या ये
अरे
अच्छा
ट्रिपल किसी ने रोका है? कितनी बार हम फ्रीडम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे? हम करेंगे,
करते ही
है ना?
रहनी चाहिए.
Lovely. So, so I was wondering that the music that you are now creating, is it where are you headed with your music? Like it's an independent music that you're saying. Now, where how do we see your music? What form is it going to come in? How do we get to know more and more apart from, let's say, the shows that you go for? But where can we access your music?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. You can type Freedom Sharma and you will get all the videos.
Mm-hmm.
And Instagram is Freedom Sharma Official, and the Facebook is also there. Freedom
Yeah.
Sharma Official everywhere. I am more into, I am retro synth type of a person. I love that feel, that era a lot. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
personally composing my songs in that genre these days. Like I
Mm-hmm.
wasn't doing that earlier, but I also had a very difficult time to recognize my particular genre, because I was, when you learn something, when you start to learn something, you explore everything. Like I wanted
Yeah.
to sing jazz, I wanted to sing pop and then blues and everything.
Hmm.
Classical or Bollywood and everything I wanted to try
Hmm.
and see where I fit the best or what resonates with me.
Yeah.
From doing everything, I believe that my soul rests in retro disco fun
Hmm.
light, that kind of a space, and I
Hmm.
enjoy that a lot. So
Hmm.
you are going to see that genre a lot in coming days or months, and I believe
Lovely.
that people are not exploring this particular genre in India. So that's
Hmm.
why I'm thinking about using both the languages or the styles into
Mix
combining
them.
both sides to develop this particular genre.
That would be fun. That seriously, that would be, and the kind of production quality that you're putting into your songs, that would be quite nice to have it.
Yeah, yeah.
Lovely. So, can we hear some bit of what's on your mind? I know
So
we're dragging.
this again, so I'll sing. All right. But so this is a retro song,
Hmm.
but I'm singing in my own way with a different music, and it's a very chill out and laid back music.
Hmm.
So and I've written lyrics on that. I'm going to release it very soon. So it's for all my group. I don't know what age group Maitri project audience
All
have.
young at heart.
All young at heart. So maybe they will connect with it.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah.
one song. This is again retro, but in chill out. And if you'll understand the lyrics, you will definitely connect with the feel of the song. पास कर थोड़ी होना है मुझको हाय स्लो मोशन फीवर बस यूं ही चढ़ जाए कश मारेंगे इतने की मजा आ जाए एक और रोल बना दे थोड़ा मजा आ जाए हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम है कोई तो दम मारो यारो दम के नशे में जन्नत नहीं है स्लो डाउन हो जाने मन ये हैबिट नहीं है दम है कोई तो दम मारो यारो दम के नशे में जन्नत नहीं है स्लो डाउन हो जाने मन ये हैबिट नहीं है हरि ओम हरि 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 get high let me get high चढ़ती लहर जैसे चढ़ती जवानी हिलती कली सा खिलारू जाने कब कैसे कहाँ हाथ से फिसल जाए कैसे चढ़ जाए ढली धूप once in every lifetime oh comes love like this I need you you need me oh my honey can't you see है कोई तो मारो यारों दम के नशे में जन्नत नहीं है सो डाउन हो जाने मन ये हैबिट नहीं है हरि ओम हरि 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 Hari Om Hari Hari Om Hari yeah that was one of chill song
Good fun. Hari Om Hari. I mean, कितने time बाद सुना है Hari Om Hari and then another version of it. Good fun.
Yeah. So it's a chill, like generally you expect it to be like upbeat and all my songs are upbeat, but I want it this song to be mild and maybe you or people like who connects with this song will know why.
Yeah, no, it was like very distinct. And yes, you're right. I mean, the normal expectation of it to be on the high note, because we have always heard every version of it on the high note, but you've done great justice to it, even on the mild. There is obviously, there's a character to the song, so that still retains while it adds upon to that. Lovely.
So this is
Talent for it.
why I'm doing this. I mean, these songs are kind of an experiment when I'm trying to, as I said, the retro synth genre. So I'm trying to take. You know what happens? अब जब तुम कुछ भी start करते हो तो पहले कुछ base होना चाहिए. मतलब आपको एक compare करने के लिए भी एक कुछ होना चाहिए. You just cannot jump into something.
Something,
so, like working on these kind of songs again and like making as of my own so उससे एक थोड़ा more clarity मिलता है you know when you start singing like अरिजीत के जैसा गाने की try करते हो लड़कियां इनके जैसा try करेगी but after some point you realize कि हाँ this is me
yeah. No, that I mean that's a very interesting point. In fact, the other day also we were having a conversation with another artist, and they were saying this that with covers it's slightly different because somebody has taken that risk to
Yeah,
already create that song, and obviously you are liking it, which is why you want to do a cover of it. So
yeah.
एक तरह का एक काम हो गया है, अब आप उसमें अपना क्या कर सकते हो वो देखो. But
और
to
वो
have something,
क्योंकि जब आपके पास ओरिजिनल है तो है, मतलब देयर इज नथिंग बेटर देन ओरिजिनल ऑब्वियसली, बट
yeah.
कवर सॉन्ग्स आर काइंड ऑफ अ वे वेयर यू कैन कंपेयर योरसेल्फ वेयर यू स्टैंड, कि
Hmm.
अगर आपको ये दिया जाता है, और स्पेशली इन लंदन म्यूजिक स्कूल हम लोगों को ये खास सिखाया गया था उस टाइम पे कि जो भी गाना हमें मिलता था
Hmm.
प्रैक्टिस के लिए, या एवरी वीक वी हैड टू परफॉर्म,
Hmm.
एवरी वीक हम लोग परफॉर्म करते थे, लेकिन जो भी गाना दिया था उसको अगर आप इम्प्रोवाइज नहीं करोगे, अपने तरीके से नहीं बनाओगे, तो आपकी ग्रेड्स कम होते थे.
Hmm.
That's a task, and I think people should start with that. I mean,
Yeah.
what is
So there
there?
was this whole habit formation of doing it original, like even though you have like you can just keep on doing what you're already hearing, but I
Yeah,
think they were trying to form your habits to start
yes,
on.
yeah.
Nice. Lovely. Lovely. So so I was just looking at the things, and there were a couple of requests. Do you also have folk songs in your kitty? Do you also like to do some?
Yeah, I do have one song. Again, I never sing song the way it is.
Yeah, sure. So that,
So
so I mean,
uh,
I'll just read out. There was a request for Melody Garder. If you sing Melody Garder in any Melody Garder,
melody, which song? I don't know.
any of the songs for
I
doesn't
don't
matter. Doesn't matter if you do. No, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Then the other was Apke Sawan and
know.
any of the folk songs. These were the two, three things that people
Yeah,
that
so
audience.
cool. So it's a Gujarati folk, and
Hmm,
so I wrote some Gujarati rap before that, and then the song. So
lovely. I love the way you mix it, man. Lovely.
yeah, it
Let's
gives
go
you
for it.
the edge. It keeps you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good
Yeah,
way to be.
and for us as audience, like we have a reference to what we're going to listen to, but I'm sure like you've been surprising us all throughout.
Thank
Super
you,
good.
thank you.
Great. So
All
we'll
right.
hear this, and then you can take us through whatever is what you want to leave us with in the evening after that. Yeah,
Okay.
but I'll come back right after the song.
The
See you around.
two of the songs, like back to back, you were saying.
As you wish, your
Okay.
wish.
So one is this Lal Darwaje. It's a folk and like new age folk or whatever you wanna say.
Hmm.
And the next song I'll sing without music. It's a rap, and generally people ask me for this one कि ये किसके लिए लिखा है बताओ. So
अच्छा.
कि किसके ऊपर तुमको गुस्सा है और ये ऐसा तुमने लिखा है, ऐसा कि नहीं मैंने बस ऐसा ही लिखा है. So many heartbreaks teaches you something. But because we won't be talking in between, so I just
Yeah,
want no one to feel offense with the lyrics or something. It's not like offensive
sure.
in a slangish way, but
Hmm.
I mean
No, there's
it's not meant
audience
or something.
offense होने का scope ही नहीं है. This is music. Just enjoy it as a music. मैत्री पे no offenses.
Yeah, so that I'll sing without music, a little portion, and I'll just sing like that. And this will be
Lovely. We are ready.
all right. લાલ હોય કે પીળો બધા રંગ અમને જામે સવારમાં ફરસાણ ખાઈને અમે જઈએ કામે ગુજરાતીને જાણવા હોય તો કરવા પડશે જલસા રોડ ડાયા થયા તો ખાવાના પડશે બરખા ઘર ઘરમાં જોવા મળતા અંબુડાને ચોટલા કિટ્ટી પૂછા કરતા કરતા ભાગે કેટલા ઓટલા કદી હાર કદી જીતના લઈએ અમે ટેન્શન મગજમારી કરવાની આહી નથી છે ફેશન લાલ દરવાજે તંબુ તોણિયા રે લોલ જલસો કરતા જીવન અમને પડી ગયું રે લોલ અરે એક કટિંગ નીલામાં હવે ચાર જણ રાખે દામા समावत थईने तवा सुचवीए अमे सामा अरे एनो सुधरे जन्म जे अमने करी गયું रे लो एनो सुधरे जन्म जे अमने करी गયું रे लो जलसो करता जीवन हमने पड़ी गયું रे लो एकला दे दरवाजे तंबू तोड़िया रे लो अरे वस्तु लेने आखी बस रुपया रखिए बाकी छोड़ियो नी मम्मी ने हम कहिए मासी काकी एना वशमा थईए जे सामे रड़ी गયું रे लो अरे एना वशमा थईए जे सामे रड़ी गયું रे लो जलसो करता जीवन हमने पड़ी गયું रे लो एकला दरवाजे तंबू तोड़िया रे लो एकला दरवाजे तंबू तोड़िया रे लो जलसो करता जीवन हमने पड़ी गયું रे लो So yes, that's Ek Lal Darwaje with Jalso Karta Jeevan with a rap in it. Now, I'm going to release this song very recently, and the song I wanted to leave you with is a kind of a rap which I wrote. पता नहीं बस ऐसे ही दिमाग में आ गया, so I started writing. Okay. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. तेरी मेरी हमारी कभी जमेगी नहीं तेरी मम्मी से भी कभी मेरी पटेगी नहीं है लड़कों का काफिला मेरे आगे पीछे मिस्टर वर्ल्ड क्यों ना हो तू मेरी हील्स के नीचे 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 हील्स के नीचे 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 सर थोड़ा नीचे क्यों लड़की को समझे तू पैर की जूती और कह के बुलाता हमें बिच माने कुत्ती तेरे जैसे देखे हैं मैंने कई डॉग जिन्हें आंखों पे चढ़ा है मर्दानगी का फॉग गाड़ी बंगला ठीक है पर लड़की तेरी प्रॉपर्टी जेबें तेरी भरी होंगी दिमाग में पॉवर्टी ये करो वो ना करो ये किसी से ना बात करो यहाँ ना जाओ वो ना पहनो बस मेरे साथ चलो पर थोड़ा पीछे पीछे क्यों भाई पीछे या मेरे को इतना ही याद है आई एम सो सॉरी कैन आई गेट बैक टू यू बट इट्स अ हेल ऑफ other like more lyrics in it
Freedom, my God.
Kind of a song, but yeah, but it's still good. लड़के भी लिखते हैं मुझसे हाँ पता नहीं क्या क्या
I now I know why you said कि लोग ये पूछते हैं कि किसके लिए लिखा है भाई किससे इतनी खुंदस है but I guess it's a global खुंदस
नहीं नहीं ऐसा it just popped out मतलब ऐसा कोई ना ही एक इंसान है जिससे मेरे को इतनी खुन्नस है ना ही लड़कियों से मुझे खुन्नस है but कभी कभी क्या होता है कि so I heard this song called Girlfriend a long time back और वो गाना सुन के मुझे उस गाने पे खुन्नस चढ़ी एक्चुअली टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैंने ये लिखा कि there are so many people who says like girls are after money and everything is like that. But it's not true. Like boys are always after beauty. So it's the same. We are all equal.
Yeah. And I mean, there's no end to this. Who is after? Who is such an individual? कोई end नहीं है उसका. Like कौन सबका अपना अपना trip है. I know.
Yeah.
But मेरा trip जो है ना वो तो मतलब इतना I'm like so thrilled today. Like it's like I was saying, it's the silver jubilee of Maitri project. I did not know it. I did not remember it before we started the show. And it just occurred to me, wow, and it's like such a happy evening that we are spending all because of you, Freedom. All because of you.
I loved it. I loved it. Yeah.
Super good. Lovely. So I know we've taken a little more of your time, but I hope you don't mind. It was super good fun. Lovely good fun. Yeah. So we're going to keep calling you on Maitri for sure and on various other initiatives that we do. Because
I hope you enjoyed and it was entertaining enough. I can't say more, but yeah, I love it. And I always love to sing. And if I could see my audience, it would have been
Yeah,
even more better, but
yeah,
it's all like when I feel they're still there, that's good
yeah.
enough.
No, you can see them through me. Like right now, I'm the representation, and I can see everything that's happening, and I'm looking at multiple devices. So yeah, but we're soon. We're sure we're soon gonna do something with you where you'll be able to see your audience, and like like that. That's like what I was telling you on the phone, that Match My Talent does not need to be another agency. We have enough. We have enough of different types. But what we're really passionate about it is getting the artist out there. So we हमें सच में लगता है कि किसी भी आर्टिस्ट का कितना भी नेटवर्क जो होता है ना वो इनफ नहीं होता है. लाइक इट्स नेवर लाइक यू कैन से कि हाँ मेरा तो हो गया भाई, लाइक आई हैव इनफ, राइट? So there is always a scope for a larger network, a better network, and that we can only create when we get to know the artist, because one size does not fit everybody, right? So like what kind of work you want to do, what kind of audience matters to you will be very different from another artist, right? So like
बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, क्योंकि और भी बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स है जहाँ से आर्टिस्ट लाइव जाते हैं. मैं भी काफी प्लेटफॉर्म से लाइव गई हूँ, लेकिन आपने जितना प्रिसाइसली बातचीत हमारी जो भी हुई है मैसेज पे भी और उसके पहले भी जब बात हुई थी, इतना इतना इंटरेस्ट और इतना प्रिसीजन किसी ने नहीं लिया. दैट्स ओनली यू. बस ये बोलते थे कि हाँ, और ये बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ में होता भी है. एंड आई बिलीव कि आपका प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत आगे लेके जाएंगे, बिकॉज यू टेक केयर ऑफ योर आर्टिस्ट एंड यू जेन्युइनली शो योर इंटरेस्ट इन योर आर्टिस्ट. दैट्स व्हाट आई फेल्ट टुडे.
yeah,
So
our only context is the interest, और कुछ है ही नहीं, और कुछ आता ही नहीं है, और कुछ पता ही नहीं है. It is the interest.
उसको ठीक से निभाना या वो करना, वो भी बड़ी चीज है, और जो आप कर रहे हो.
थैंक यू. मेरे बुखार की दवाई मिल गई मुझे. ये वाली रिकॉर्डिंग सुनती रहूंगी.
कॉल कर लेना.
Paka, I swear, this is like, an entrepreneur's journey is so lonely, just like a musician's. That you're in your head and you have so many things in a head. But अगर कोई समझ जाए तो हो.
नहीं, बिल्कुल. वर्ड ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन, जैसे आप मुझे अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हो, इट फील्स गुड, और हर एक को अच्छा लगता है. और कभी भी क्या पता कौन से टाइम पे आप उनको अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हो जहाँ पे शायद उनको सुनने की जरूरत हो.
You never know.
I always believe in complimenting and appreciating people, because I love it when somebody appreciates me. So that's why I like to give compliments and appreciate people.
And that's easier said than done. Everybody knows this freedom, but कर पाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Like अपने आप से उठ के किसी और के लिए कुछ कह पाना, it takes like a lifetime to do that. So hats off that you do, and I think that is what reflects in your music also. Like I mean, जो इतनी clarity और इतने बिंदास तरह से बोलते हो ना, जो भी बोलते हो, that is the bake off freedom. Love it.
Thank you.
So great. So thank you. Really thank you. Dil se thank you for being on Maitri and for being a part of Match My Talent. I mean, for all the industry folks hearing you today and who will hear this recording, Freedom is also on Match My Talent, so you can professionally network her through Match My Talent, which is the difference between an Instagram and the YouTube. So on the Match My Talent profile, what we're trying to do is that an artist's work is distributed. कुछ आपका Instagram पे होगा, कुछ YouTube पे होगा. So like, I mean, it's there, but it is I think थोड़ा सा हम मिस कर जाते हैं कि हम ये सोचते हैं कि कोई हमें यहाँ पे भी ढूंढेगा, वहां पे भी ढूंढेगा, वहां पे भी ढूंढेगा, but वो होता नहीं है. Because अगर हम YouTube पे जाते हैं तो हम कुछ और ढूंढने जाते हैं. I'm looking at you and then I get distracted at something else. I'm looking at Instagram and कुछ और ping आया और मैं वहां चली जाऊंगी. So what we're trying to say is that on Match My Talent, on let's say Freedom's profile, Freedom would have curated everything that she wants you to look at.
It's like
she would have
website for artists where
it's like your personal website, but खाली website होने से कुछ होता नहीं है. In the era of Google, website तो खो जाती है, right? फिर उतना सारा कोई promotion नहीं कर सकता. So what we're trying to do is हमने base बनाया है, और आपका पेज वहां पे है. And like to the industry and audience, Freedom and artists like Freedom have taken out the time, और वो regularly उस time को spend करते हैं in maintaining their profile. So that is a place that you can go. उनका पूरा काम तसल्ली से देखो, रात में 2 बजे देखो, 3 बजे देखो, कभी देखो, like कोई कुछ नहीं कह रहा है, आराम से शांति से देखो, and then drop them a message of what you want to do with them. you know.
Yeah,
So don't judge an artist based on one thing or two things that you see, because an artist would normally have a lot in their kitty, a lot, you know, और वो नहीं जस्टिफाई हो पाता, वो दिख नहीं पाता, क्योंकि आर्टिस्ट को कभी लगता है कि ऑडियंस को ये पसंद होगा तो वो डाल देते हैं, कभी लगता है ये पसंद होगा तो वो डाल देते हैं,
आप
but there is
बहुत
so much.
जानते हो, आपकी बातों से ही पता चल रहा है, either like you yourself, I'm sorry, I don't know much about you, but maybe either you yourself is an artist, or you know many people, like you've met so many artists, so that
Yeah,
आप उनसे थोड़ा सा आप थोड़ा नहीं बहुत कुछ कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो, आप वही बोल
so
रहे हो कि
we have 40,000 live artists with us, Freedom. And if 40,000 live means there are many, many, many more thousands that we have talked to. And the whole premise of starting Match My Talent was that we had spoken to many more before that, right? And these are the few things that we realized कि ये है, ये problem है, you know, like there is this thing, कोई
how
common चीज है.
you started with one and now you're on 40,000. That's a really it's
Yeah.
a big achievement.
Yeah, and we really hope to bring value to all of you. Really hope to. लाएंगे पक्का लाएंगे.
Believe me. I that's my talent.
Amazing, lovely. So it's a partnership, Freedom. We partner on our 25th show, and we're gonna stay free together.
मेरे पास भी कुछ ऐसा बोलने के लिए, on the Silver Jubilee I was there.
Oh my God, yeah.
Live
अभी रुक जाओ, अभी लोग ज्यादा जानते नहीं है मैच मैडन को, जब जान जाएंगे तब इसको लैंड कराना. It's like, oh, अच्छा वो उनकी तो सिल्वर जुबली पे मैं थी.
वही
है ना, अभी कोई पूछेगा कौन था वो तो फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
people know it. Match My Talent is famous. Yeah. एक तो 40,000 तो आपके बस ग्रुप मेंबर्स हैं, and via people know Match My Talent. So
Yeah.
it's a big platform.
Lovely. So everybody, thank you. We will have to let go of Freedom, वरना उसका freedom छिन जाएगा. वैसे ही शर्मा लग के थोड़ा थोड़ा छिन चुका है, तो पूरा ही छिन जाएगा. तो आज के लिए इनको जाने देते हैं, and then we will bring her back any day that you guys want to hear to the lovely music again. And Maitri Project is always there. Match My Talent is always there. Thank you, Freedom.
Thank you.
Lovely. See you around. Bye bye. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye, audience. Lovely.
Yeah.
Flying kiss de do side mein. For to the imaginary. Oh, too much. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Yeah.